Hello dear students, our lesson today we are going to talk about the circle. Okay, let's open our booklet page 51. First we are going to start by the explanation. When we want to draw a circle we use the compass. Okay, the diameter is the longest chord in the circle. The diameter is double the radius or twice the radius. Any line segment that intersects the circle at 2 points without passing through the center is called a chord. All the radii in the same circle are equal in length. We can draw the circle if we know its radius. Okay, we can rearrange these points by starting to know that, as we said in class, we draw the circle by using the compass. Number 2, I can draw the circle if we know its radius. The radius is a very important it's a very important line segment. We join the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Point number 3, where the diameter is double the radius, where if I have my radius, for example, 5 centimeters, so my diameter is 10 centimeters. If my radius is 3 centimeters, then my diameter is 6 centimeters, and so on. Okay, then all the radii in the same circle are equal in length. A definition: where any line segment that intersects the circle at 2 points without passing through the center is called a chord. Okay, and we can put the point which says that the diameter is the longest chord in the circle as a last point. The diameter where it passes through the center of the circle, that's why we call it the longest chord. Where it joins 2 points on the circle. So it joined the 2 points on the circle and at the same time passing through the center, that's why we call it diameter or longest chord. Okay, exercise number 1. Here we have a circle which is called M, where the center of the circle is M, and then they are asking you some questions on this figure. Okay, what is the center point of the circle? It's of course M, where we name the circle by the name of the center of the circle. Okay, what is called a chord? Oh, we have here CD, where it is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle but not passing through the center. They are asking what and what are called radii of the circle. So any line segment coming out of the center to any point on the circle is a radius. So we have MA, MB, MC. If you join MD, it could be a radius, and so on. So here we have MA, MB, and MC are 3 radii or 3 drawn radii in the circle. Okay, what is called the diameter? Here I have AC called diameter or CA. So it could be diameter or longest chord. Let's open our booklet page 52. In the opposite figure, M is the center. I'm asking what and what are radii in the circle. So I have here MA, MB, MC, and MD are radii in the circle. Next, what and what are diameters in the circle? I have AB and I have DC or CD, where they are 2 diameters or 2 line segments passing through the center and joining 2 points on the circle. What is called a chord? DB or BD is a chord in the circle. Angle AMC is called the central angle. Okay, as we took from grade 4 that this is the sign of the angle. This is a sign. Okay, so the angle AMC It is in the center of the circle, so that's why we call it a central angle. Point M is called the center of the circle. The length of, you can choose any of the radii you have written. The length of MA, for example, is half the length of AB. The vertex of the angle ABD lies on the circle. Okay. Any chord passing or passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. Next, asking you to put right or wrong in the opposite figure. M is the center. Okay, so is AD a chord? Yes, of course, it's a chord. CD is the longest chord. Yes, it's the longest chord where it's the diameter. CD is the diameter. Yes, as we just have said so. Okay, angle BAD is a central angle. No, I am sorry, because it's not in the center of the circle, it is on the circle itself. Okay, angle AMC is a central angle. Yes, it's a central angle where M is the center, so that's why the vertex is M. The number of chords in the figure are 3. No, because we have only one chord drawn, which is AD. Some of you will tell me that AB is a chord and CD is a chord. Yes, but we have to mention that they are the longest chords. And here in the sentence they didn't mention the word the longest, so the sentence is wrong. The length of the radius of a circle is twice the length of the diameter. Wrong. We have the correction of the sentence is to say that the length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. We can draw only one diameter in the circle. No, we have infinite number of diameters in any circle. The chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Yes, but it is a line segment joining 2 points, not passing through the center. If it passes through the center, we call it longest chord, which is the diameter.